Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Frankly Speaking. My name is Frank, and today we're answering the question, what's in your kitchen? So, what's in your kitchen? There are several ways we can answer this question. One way, and a very simple way, is to say, I have a table in my kitchen, and it has some chairs. I have a table, and it, being the table, has some chairs. Now, here, means one because there is one table, and some means two or more. We use some when we don't want to count. 3 chairs, 4 chairs, 5 chairs, some chairs. But we don't want to use this. This is too easy, too simple. Instead, when we describe a place in our house, we tend to use I've got or it's got. So I've got a table in my kitchen or it's got some chairs. This I've and this it's are the same have and has. We just contracted them to make it easier to say, shorter to say, and just faster to say. So I've got a table. It's got some chairs. It, remember, is the table. All right, we'll also use there's and there are as we did in my last video describing a place or a room in your house. So let's look at this kitchen here. And how would we describe this kitchen? I will give you an example and show you some of the vocabulary in the picture. I've got a modern minimalist kitchen, and you can see it's very modern. The equipment is new, and it's minimalist because it has one color. It's very simple. So minimalist means simple in design. It's got a large fridge with a freezer, a gas stove, which is this upper part, with an electric oven, which would be this bottom part, and a microwave above the stove. You can see it's above the stove. The sink is also modern. There's plenty of space for preparing a meal. It's got a white counter. You can see it here, here, and on this side. And a large kitchen island. A kitchen island, or just an island, is a sort of table in the middle of your kitchen. So, a large kitchen island with stools to sit on. These are stools. Stools don't have a back to them. On the counter, I keep some oil, some condiments, and my coffee maker. We keep our food in the cupboards. And cupboards are all of these spaces that we see all around. You can keep food, or you can keep plates, or you can keep cups in them. So now, look at this picture here. Can you describe this kitchen? I'll give you a moment to pause the video and try to describe the picture using the vocabulary from the last picture. And then I'll show you my answer. Okay, here's my answer, and your answer might be different. I've got a modern minimalist kitchen. It's got a large gas stove with a big oven for baking cakes and cookies. I keep my electric mixer on the counter. It's next to my oil and condiments. My kitchen's also got a modern sink and a large marble kitchen island. I keep my cups and glasses in the cupboard near the sink. I keep my food in the other cupboards. And you can see in this cupboard are the cups and the glasses. Sorry, the cups and the glasses here near the sink. And also, this island is made of marble. Marble is this material that looks like a rock. Okay, that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something in this video. Please, if you haven't yet, subscribe and hit the like button for me. It's very useful, very helpful for me to continue growing my channel. All right, thank you very much. I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.